Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. In this very fast video, I just have a couple of images to show of my cantaloupe seeds. These were harvested from a cantaloupe that is not from this area. It came from a Costco, and my son had scooped out the cantaloupe and saved the seeds. And I did have success for a couple of years in a row, so I thought I would try again this year. So these seeds were harvested back in 2016. So the first step is to moisten some paper towel, place the seeds onto the paper towel, fold the paper towel over, and then cover the seeds. So I've also uploaded a few other videos today which use the same technique, and it's a good one to try out because it gives you a really good insight into what seeds are viable and which ones are dead. So that's it for this really fast video. I will be keeping you updated, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.